How to delete your account from Notion. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you delete your account on Notion. So, to actually delete your account on Notion, you need to follow these steps. So what you need to do is open up your Notion application and log into your account. So once you're logged into your account, you click on the profile initials and then you could find your settings section, right? So you could click on it, or you could just tap on the three dot icon and then go to the settings section. On this page, what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom where you could find these delete my account. So if you're sure about it, click on it. You have to type in your email address to confirm, do that, and then click on delete account and one workspace, or how many workspace that you have accordingly, and then click on it. Next, you will be asked to type in your password for identity purpose, and you could go ahead and confirm it and your account will be deleted successfully. So this is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.